हाय गाइस, आई एम डॉक्टर रजत और मेरे साथ इस समय है डॉक्टर संजीव जो कैलिफोर्निया में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और यहाँ पे ज़ाइगोमैटिक और टेरिगॉइड इम्प्लांट वर्कशॉप के लिए मेरे पास आए थे 3 दिन के लिए। और जानना चाहूँगा यस सर, फिर कैसा रहा आपका पूरा एक्सपीरियंस? और काफ़ी सारी सर्जरीज हमने यहाँ पे की लाइव पेशेंट ज़ाइगोमैटिक और टेरिगॉइड, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे प्लीज़?
ये कहना चाहेंगे कि बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे, आपकी एक्सपर्टीज़ बेस्ट है। आई हैव attended various seminars and various hands-on courses in Zygoma in Brazil as well, but your technique is way better, the way you simplify it, and then we basically in 3 days complications, how to handle them,
what to do, what not to do,
what not, even when the things are not right, you can leave it alone and do it another day or another time. So there was a lot of learning in 3 days, very compact, very nice, and above all it's like very impressive about your knowledge and your staff. It was a quick learning and good learning, and we had fun in this place.
Thanks a lot. You know, having into private practice for so long, what made you to join this particular course?
Basically, me and Dr. Panu was here with us. We tried to go to a lot of courses together, and I did not know much till he told me about the course, and then I researched it and found out that you are very well known and very accomplished surgeon. So we decided to come here and see by yourselves.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, सीनियर क्लिनिशियन और सीख रहे हैं, पैशनेट हैं, you want to add on to your practice. I think that is so wonderful about our profession. Being a professional, अच्छा लगता है कि जब आप एक लेवल पे पहुंच जाते हैं उसके बाद भी you have a hunger to learn more, achieve more, and give your patients the best treatment. Thanks a lot sir for your kind words, and I think मुझे लगता है 3 दिन शायद 3 घंटे या 4 घंटे में निकल गए.
Oh yeah, and fun time and lot of learning.
I tried my level best to give you clinical exposure as much as I can, because बहुत cases different होते हैं, उसके साथ execute करना कोशिश मेरी यही थी कि जितना आपको clinical experience दे उतना आप execute कर सकते हैं.
I'm glad we came.
Thanks. Thank you sir.
Thank you.